Hello, my name is Jacques Lockett, and the one time I had to give a formal presentation was in my speech class back in my junior year of high school. I had to do a presentation about my favorite artist, which was Kanye West, and the presentation was due on a Friday. The Friday was a half day, and later that night we had a big time football game. And me, I keep to myself, so I don't like being in front of crowds, even though the audience was my classmates I've been going to school with for the past 3 years since I'm a junior in high school. But to be honest, I wanted to get out of the class, get over the experience of presentation, and just get on with my day and go hang out with my friends into the football game later that night. So I volunteered to go first, and I don't know what I got myself into, but whatever I thought it was going to be like, it was not like. I'm a pretty confident guy, but when I got up there with my note card and my little presentation up on the screen, I kind of just went blank. My teacher gave me notes. She like, don't get too caught up in the note card. Don't get too caught up in your presentation on the screen. Make eye contact with the crowd, and just if you have to, look over them, and it'll look like you're staring directly at them. You don't want to be awkward with it. But when I got up there, I just kind of started freestyling. And to be honest, uh, my main goal was just to get through the presentation and just get on with my day. Like I said earlier, I wasn't really worried about no grade, no nothing. I kind of just said anything that came to mind, um, and it ended up getting a good grade, to be honest. But knowing how a formal presentation is supposed to be, uh, I did not do that good. So if I had to give myself a grade, I'll probably give myself like a 6 because the overall grade from my speech teacher um, was fairly decent. I don't remember the exact grade, but I would say it was passing. I don't think it was below like a 90. Um, but there's knowing I probably got locked on my note card. I probably got locked on the screen. I remember pacing. I don't know why I was pacing, but I was pacing. I was tripping up there. But um, yeah, I'll probably say like a 6. Wasn't too bad, but knowing what I know now, how it's supposed to be done, it definitely was not good enough. Um, One technique I learned from the chapters that I could have used in my presentation back then was just having a memorable closing statement because I remember this vividly. Whatever I said for my presentation, that's all you got. If it wasn't on my note card, I didn't say it. If it wasn't a presentation, I didn't say it. Even though I said I was freestyling, everything I said had a straight correlation to what I had either on my note card or on the screen. So at the end, it wasn't no, oh, let me give you this cliche type of um, phrase so you can remember it or to close off the presentation the right way. No, it was whatever was the last thing on that note card. After that, I kind of just walked in my seat and said thank you. So, but that's how it was. I didn't get no type of really no coaching. She teaches you about the things you should and shouldn't do during a presentation, but um, that was pretty much it. And to this day, I hate giving presentations. I can't even lie. It's just too much that goes into it. I don't feel like it's authentic. I know one thing you probably realize in this video right here is I say a lot, and the thing is the main things my teacher emphasized was don't say just pause, things like that. But for me, that's my authentic self. Like if I'm thinking on the run and I'm thinking on the go, I'm gonna say um, that's right there. But besides that, I feel like I did fairly well for my first time having a formal presentation. So that's how my presentation went. Hopefully, if I have to do one again in the future or in the workplace, it'll be better. Thank you.